Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this running shoes from Asian brand which I purchased on the Flipkart. See here. These are the white shoes. Let us open this box and check how they look and about the cushion and everything. Okay, and the comfort. And previously, I just unboxed just 5 minutes back this Pilgrim smoothing hair mask and this argan oil. Okay, argan oil hair serum, both from the Pilgrim brand which I purchased on the Flipkart itself. If you want the unboxing of those two products, just find the link in the description. And for now, we'll try to open this product. Yeah, this is Asian Premium Sportswear, India's favorite sports shoe brand. Okay, and coming to the cost, it costed like 551 rupees during the time of purchase. And this is the initial look. Okay, let me just take this out, and this is the size 8. Okay, let me keep the box down, and these are the shoes. Okay, coming to lightweight, pretty lightweight. The look is decent. I won't say these are looking premium, not looking that premium, but the look is decent. Yeah, lightweight I can say, with lace. Okay, people who want lace for speed running, one of the good choice at the budget of under 600 rupees, you can say. The user has purchased this because this got 4.1 rating and lot of purchases from the users. I'll be tagging this product. For more details, you can just click it and check here. White and blue combination, Asian Future-01, the exact model to be precise. And the sole, yeah, the grip would be good enough. Okay, yeah, stretchability and the sole comfort. It's like the initial impressions is medium hard, means I'm not saying this is too soft. Yeah, the cushion is medium, but once the user uses this for the running, after the usage of like at least 1 week, I can post a review video on these shoes. If you want a review video about how they are in the real time, means when the user uses this for the running, that is where we can exactly say how good are the shoes for the running. So if you want that video, please do ask in the comments. If I receive at least 10 to 20 comments, so that I'll be immediately posting the review video on that. I hope you like this tutorial. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.